singing someone else's song. We've been standing down by the crossroads. Take your side and step along. We have been sailing on a way upon a river to the sea. Maybe you and me can meet again, but we'll be riding all on a railroad, singing someone else's song. Sing along. From time to time I tire of the life that I've been leading, town to town, day by day, yeah, yeah. There's a man up here, he claims to have his hands upon the reins. There are chains upon his hands, and the man's been riding on a train. Oh Lord, we've been riding along a railroad, singing someone else's song. Forever we're standing along the crossroad. Take your side and step along. We have been sailing on a way upon a river to the sea. Maybe you and me can meet again, but we'll be riding all on a railroad, singing someone else's song. No, we've been riding, keep on riding, singing someone else's song. Well, there's something in the way she moves, or looks my way or calls my name, that seems to leave this troubled world behind. And if I'm feeling down and blue, or troubled by some foolish game, she always seems to make me change my mind. I feel fine anytime she's around me now. She's around me now, almost all the time. If I'm well, you can tell that she's been with me now. She's been with me now quite a long, long time, and I feel fine. Every now and then the things I lean on lose their meaning, and I find myself careening into places where I should not let me go. She has the power to go where no one else can find me, and to silently remind me the happiness and good times that I know. Well, I guess I just got to know them. It isn't what she's got to say, or how she thinks, or where she's been. To me, the words are nice the way they sound. I like to hear them best that way. It doesn't much matter what they mean. She says them mostly just to calm me down, and I feel fine anytime she's around me now. Oh, she's around me now. I guess just about all the time. If I'm well, you can tell she's been with me now. She's been with me now quite a long, long time. Yes, and I feel fine.